How to add a song on WhatsApp status. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, in order to add a song on WhatsApp status, let's go ahead and create a song and a post in our Instagram. Tap open your Instagram. Then here you can simply tap onto your story, add a picture, and then add a song. Now once you're satisfied, all you have to do is tap on the three-dot icon and tap on save. As you tap on save, this video will be saved in your gallery section. Let's go ahead and open up our WhatsApp application now. Get logged into your WhatsApp account number, then under status, tap on my status. Now once you do so, choose the one that you just saved from your Instagram. Now if the music is copyright free, you can definitely hear the music. All you have to do is tap on to play and then tap on this send icon. And just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.